Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we got another product review. No, it's not my Honda Civic. It's something very unique. Let me go and grab it from the back of my trunk here. Alright, we're going to be looking at a small electric bike. Yes, this is the Jetson Bolt Pro. This thing literally folds up. I can stick it in the back of my small compact car and ride away off into the sunset. Okay, so when you think of an electric bike, you might think of more of a traditional bike, which are larger. They usually can't fit in a small car. But these smaller compact bikes are great for the RV parks. They're great for the local parks and even like national parks where they don't accept scooters or other motorized vehicles. But electric bikes are okay since they're classified as an actual bicycle. Alright, so the Jetson Bolt Pro has pedals, has dual disc brakes, and it has about estimated range of about 15 miles on electric only and 30 miles with pedal assist. Now, if you're more adventurous, you can use manual mode, which you're just huffing and puffing over this bridge, but I felt like the pedal assist was the best option for me. Well, sometimes you just want to enjoy the scenery. You don't want to have to do anything. You don't want to have to strain your wrist holding down the throttle, or you don't want to have to pedal. Off to the right there, there's a little black button. Just press that once, and yes, you have cruise control. It's very handy. I felt like this feature worked well. Okay, so let's take a look at this bike. So let's talk about the pros and cons. What I like about it is the size. It's really compact, and for the most part, it works pretty well. It was easy to just get going. One downside is if you turn the bike off or if you run out of juice, it's actually kind of hard to pedal. I would have thought it would have been a little bit easier since it has freewheel mode, but that's just something to be mindful of. Also, this battery, according to Jetson, is not user replaceable, so I guess you just have to get a new bike or send it to them if your bike battery goes out. Now, I kind of wish they had a lower gear ratio just to make it a little bit easier to start and get going, but once you get going, it goes pretty fast. I believe the top speed's around 15 miles per hour. Now, let's go and look on the other side here. Now, the kickstand works pretty well. It's very beefy and the bike itself is stable. I noticed that the disc brakes started to squeak right away, so just be mindful of that. Here are the controls. One thing to note is you have your bell and your on and off right here. It's pretty simple. Press it once to turn off, press again to turn on. I would have liked to see like an actual battery percentage, not just an indicator. And this is your cruise control. Once you have the throttle enabled, you just press that once quickly and it enables it. And to disable, you can either use the handbrakes or you can just basically press this button. Now, if you hold this button down for about, I believe 5 seconds, it activates the light, which I'll show you right now. Okay, they're going to activate the light for you. As you can see that, it's pretty bright. It works well. Unfortunately, there's no integrated rear light. You actually have this like attachment, which is battery operated, so it's kind of a downside. All right, let's go and continue on riding. All right, so let's talk about a few things I noticed with this electric bike. For starters, right out the box, the disc brakes started to squeak. I'm not sure if there's a way to clean them to prevent that. Also, with the pedal assist, it took some effort to get the bike going from a standstill. So I do recommend using the twist throttle to kind of get the momentum going. And once you have that initial momentum, you can actually start pedaling and it's pretty easy. It was definitely an interesting experience. Never rode an electric bike before, so that pedal assist felt like I was going downhill all the time. Definitely was easier on the legs. Alright, so if you turn the bike off and try to manually pedal it, I felt the resistance. The bike itself weighs about 41 pounds, so it shouldn't be too bad, but there's definitely some resistance on the pedals. Okay, so let's talk about who this electric bike's for. I really think it's for someone who wants to just get around town or enjoy the scenery and has limited space. Maybe you need to throw your bike in a small car or maybe in a condo and you don't want a large bulky bike. Now keep in mind, with the small size, you do have some trade-offs. The speed's limited. I know a lot of bikes can go over 30 miles per hour, but this guy's around 15 miles per hour. Also, the battery's not replaceable and you get about 15 miles of range on electric only. Of course, if you pedal, you get about 30 miles, and if you want to be a little more adventurous, you can just pedal manually, but definitely your legs will feel tired towards the end. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. You gotta have a great rest of your day. And if you have any questions, shoot a comment down below. I gotta get going, so see you later, guys. And before I forget, I want to personally thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. Really do mean the world to me, and you make this channel possible, and it allows me to keep going. Alright, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you've used this bike, let me know your personal experience, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Alright, have a great day.